I did a review and I was asked a question about the IP rating, the waterproofness, if this will fit also a tire, other things. Now, for my bike, it's a standalone, basically step through, that is. And I have to put this on the bottom and the bars. It's not meant for that. It's meant for the 10-speed, 21-speed bicycles. And you could make it fit just about every one. When I got this in, the zipper and the piece was in here like so. And everything was nice and closed, tight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this up. There's zippers with material on both sides. And I'm going to open this side up. There are two zippers here and it's overlapped by material. And everything is in here, even the pump. I'm going to put something in here that will equal a tire roll-up, right? Would this amount of tape be enough for a tire roll-up? That it goes in and I will have to just adjust it a little, close it up, make sure that zipper is all the way there, closed on both sides and tucked under. And what I am going to go do is one extra step and put this in a container of water. Now, reflective. I don't know how much black can reflect light. And I'll probably go in the garage and do my best to put a spotlight on it. But you're going to have to believe me if it reflects or not. I put the bag over here. I'm going to shut the light off. There is some light in the garage. And you can see me walking towards you. You see some light here. And there is the reflection. The light's not on it. And you can see it reflecting right there. It's almost like a silver. And the light is where? Pointing upward. So let's do the next step. Open up. It's filled up with water. And the bag does float. Take the hose. And sink it. And there is bubbles blowing in there. Now we're not going to be underwater like so, right? How much waterproof is the bag? It's not waterproof like that. Well, there's my tape. And there's all the parts there, wet. Now the other side here does have water in there. But it's a lot drier than this side here. So this is not waterproof through the zippers, but it's watertight on the packaging in the rain. Water's going to hit and still keep things dry, but not waterproof. I only got some money, and I'm going to lay it in there. And I'm going to just close it up. Right? And I'm going to do this. And we could do this all along, right? Doesn't matter if I do this side, but this is the side right here. And I'm going to shake it a little and then just reopen it. And that's dry. Not as dry as I expected it on the inside because that's wet, but the outside was dry. So yeah, the bag is, like I said, water resistant. Don't trust me for it. You have the option to make a purchase and return it if the kit's not what you like. I hope this review was somewhat helpful, and have a great day. There's my money. Some of it's wet in my tape. Still usable, not soaking wet. But that thing did fill up with water, and it is wet, and it will do its job closed up.